Welcome back to our channel, where we provide solutions to common Windows 10 issues. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix the problem of your CPU running at 100% in Windows 10. If you're experiencing this issue and want to find a solution, follow these simple steps. Solution 1. Step 1. Search for services and open it. Step 2. In the window, find Application Management and right-click it. Then select Restart. Solution 2. Step 1. Search for Task Manager and open it. Step 2. Click the CPU column header to sort the processes by CPU usage and check which processes are causing your CPU usage to spike. Step 3. Right-click the process that consumes a lot of your CPU and then click End Task to finish the process. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot and fix the issue of your CPU running at 100% in Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 troubleshooting tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.